Sully, good thing I caught you, huh? Hey, you don't have no cold at all.
No.
Yeah, tell him about it, Susan.
Sully, it's the pepper. You were breathing it in, and it was making you sneeze. It's the pepper that...
Yeah, let me tell it. No offense, but I do tell a great story.
Yeah.
What happened, Saul, was when I took the pepper and started shaking it around.
Don't do that, no.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters O and S, and by the number 4. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.